Hey everyone, welcome back. A lot of people get confused by Stripe's pricing. You hear no monthly fee but also hear about transaction fees. So, what's the real deal? In this video, I'll break it down for you in simple terms. First, let's talk about no monthly fee. This means there is no fixed charge to just have a Stripe account. You don't pay anything every month simply for using Stripe. You can sign up, and it costs you nothing if you don't make a single sale. Now, let's look at transaction fees. This is how Stripe actually makes money. You only pay a fee when you successfully make a sale. Let me show you what this looks like in your Stripe dashboard. If you go to your Stripe dashboard and look at the pricing page, you will see the fees. For most online card payments, you pay a small percentage of the sale, plus a tiny fixed amount. For example, for every $100 you receive, Stripe might take about $2.90. You only pay this when you get money from a customer. So, to put it simply, no monthly fee means no recurring bill. Transaction fees mean you pay a small cost only when you earn money. This is great because your costs are tied to your sales. If you have a slow month, your payment processing costs are low. And that's the simple difference. This pay-as-you-sell model makes Stripe a great choice. If this helped, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.